The grooving tool was made from this 13mm steel bar and a section of power hacksaw blade. The claw to hold the HSS insert was milled with an 8mm end mill. The bar was cross-drilled for the clamping screw. First it was drilled through 4mm. Then it was drilled partway with a 5.5mm drill. And tapped M5, a female spring center was used to guide the tap. The hole was then counterbored 8mm using an end mill, to seat the screw's head. A slitting saw was used to form a flexure to clamp the cutting insert. The cutter is held at 5 degrees to set the cutting angle. The base is milled flat so it can be held in the correct orientation in the lathe tool holder. The cutter is flipped around and the previous cut is used as a reference to mill a flat parallel to it, where the retaining screws shall act. And it's done. A section, 10mm wide, is cut from this piece of power hacksaw blade, which is around 1.3mm thick. The insert is held in the grinding vise block I made. It is intended to hold small parts. The protrusion of the jaw and retaining screw is adjustable, making it extremely versatile. The insert is first trued on one side on the surface grinder I built. Then, it is flipped around and is ground down to the width of the clamp. Finally it is deburred on an oil stone. clicks in nicely. It's not going anywhere. The relief angle was ground. The insert shall be held at 5 degrees, to set the cutting angle. Let's take it for a spin. I set the lathe to run at around 100 RPM and feed the tool slowly to see how it behaves. It goes through the weld seam on this water pipe without binding, which shows the tool is rigid enough. And the insert seems to have held up nicely, as I feared cutting with the angle grinder might have ruined the heat treatment. It cut a nice crisp groove, great for an internal circlip.